Service in Wilmington has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect until noon Thursday, and a wind chill advisory, which is in effect from noon Thursday to noon Friday, for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Fayette, Greene, Madison, and Union. Wind chill readings will drop to 25 below to 30 below tonight into Thursday morning, and will be 15 below to 25 below Thursday afternoon into Friday morning. The frigid conditions will be dangerous to those venturing outside. Exposure may cause frostbite. Those planning to venture outdoors should use common sense and dress warmly, making sure that all exposed skin is covered.
Now